Isn't it great, Oompa? You said it! Hey, what's that sound? Sounds like a bomb.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley.
Dumbledore!
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape.
Weasley. Dumbledore!
Ron,
Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Snape.
Dumbledore! Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Snape.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Severus
Harry Potter.
Snape.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. That's me.
Snape.
Harry.
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 Snape.
Dumbledore! Hermione.
Snape.
Harry
Potter.
I'm Harry
Severus
Potter.
Snape.
I'm Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Don't even think about it!